Hello everyone! Today we will practice a beautiful ancient Qi Gong exercise, flying birds. This practice will help you to cope with anxiety, release negative emotion, and elevate, raise, uplifted your mood. Think you're flying up in the blue sky and feel the energy of the movement, the air, and the sun. My name is Nina London. I am a wellness coach and Qigong teacher. Let's begin the practice.
Flying bird, lift us up where we belong, up where the birds fly. Smile gently. Put your palms to your abdominal or dantian area. Imagine your favorite bird up in the blue sky. What is your bird singing to you? Lift your arms like a bird opens its wings. Breathe in through your nose. Launch your bird from its nest with your arms flowing down and crossing each other. Slowly breathe out through your nose. Stress, tension, and worries. Breathe in and lift your arms above your head like a bird raises its wings. Look up high in the sky. Breathe out slowly and bring your bird back home by moving your arms down. Breathe in. Turn your body to the right from your waist. Lift your arms like a bird open its wings. Breathe out and slowly turn your body back with your arms flowing down. Breathe in and turn your body to the left. Lift your arms above your head like a bird raises its wings. Slowly bring your arms down. Breathe out. Turn to the left and repeat the same movements. Repeat each movement 6 times. Rising Phoenix. Phoenix glides in graceful clouds of blessing. Breathe out. Bend your knees and scoop the energy of the earth with your palms. Breathe in and slowly rise your arms up. Imagine Phoenix ignites itself with the single clap of wings. Cross your hands above your head. Pause to feel the powerful, uplifting and radiant energy of the sun. Breathe out and gently flow your arms down to the earth. Repeat 9 times.
It was wonderful to practice with you, and I hope to practice more. Please subscribe my channel, where I will share very simple, beautiful, easy to do techniques that will help you to stay healthy, positive, balanced, regulate your emotions. Thank you for your time. May the Qi be with you.